Good morning, students. Today we are going to do word problems from halves and quarters. Word problems on halves and quarters. Now here we are going to use addition, subtraction, division, all these operations. So the first page is word problems on halves and quarters. Now regarding sums, our first sum. Suppose Meena has 20 marbles. Sona has 40 marbles. Meena has 20 marbles. Sona has 40 marbles. Now, next, what fraction of marbles do Meena have of the total marbles? Let me read out the question once again. Meena has 20 marbles. Sona has 40 marbles. What fraction of marbles do Meena have of the total marbles? That means, first of all, you have to find out the sum of the marbles both of them have, and then you have to find out what fraction of marbles does Meena have of the total marbles. In order to begin the solution, we move to the next board. First we write total number of marbles they have. First we mention that 20 plus 40, which finally gives you 60 marbles. So total number of marbles they have is 60. Now fraction of total marbles. Fraction of total marbles that Meena has is equals to, now fraction of total marbles that Meena has is given by, see that Meena has 20 marbles, total number of marbles they have is 60. So we write it like this. Now as you know, we already know how to turn them into equivalent fractions. We cancel the 0. We move to the next board, write it as 2 by 6. Now we cancel both of them by 2. Finally we get 1 by 3. So fraction of total marbles that Meena has is 1 by 3. In the answer part, we will write fraction of total marbles Meena has is 1 by 3. Now just take a look at the solution once again. First of all, you find out total number of marbles they have. Add the two values, 20 for Meena and 40 for Sona. You get 60. Now coming to fraction of total marbles that Meena has. So Meena has 20 marbles. You put that in numerator, and the total number of marbles that Meena and Sona both have, you put it in the denominator. That means it is a fraction or a part representing the total number of marbles. From that we are representing how many marbles Meena has. Now when we cancel it, we finally got 1/3. So fraction of total marbles Meena has is 1/3. Coming to the next part. Question 2. Now suppose here we are going to do a multiplication based sum. Now our next question, let Anju has 70 marbles. We suppose Anju has 70 marbles. She gave 1/5 of the marbles. She gave 1/5 of the marbles to her cousin. Find, it is a two-part question. Number 1, number of marbles she gave to her cousin. And number 2, number of marbles left with her. So you have to find out number of marbles she gave to her cousin and number of marbles left with her. For finding the solution, we come to the next board. First of all, you write down total number of marbles Anju had. Total number of marbles Anju had. It is given by 70. Now you write down fraction of marbles Anju gave to her cousin. Fraction of marbles Anju gave to her cousin. Now how will you represent it? 1/4. Sorry, 1/5. Now part 1, number of marbles she gave to her cousin. Number of marbles she gave to her cousin. How will you get that? 1/5 of 1/5 of 70, which means its of is simple. Let me put multiplication sign. So 1/5 into 70. So you can cancel it and bring 14 to the numerator. Denominator will come 1. So finally you get 14. So number of marbles she gave to her cousin is 14. For the second part, number of marbles left with her. number of marbles left with her is 70 minus number of marbles she gave to her cousin 14, that gives you 56. Now finally you write down the statement once again. Number of marbles she gave to her cousin, this is 14, and number of marbles left with her, this is for the answer part, is 56. After that just put the answer here, and in the previous page also put the answer over here. Now just let us recapitulate all that we did for this sum. See that first we'll write total number of marbles Anju had, this is 70. Then fraction of marbles Anju gave to her cousin, which is 1 by 5. Then first part, number of marbles she gave to her cousin, how will I get that? Multiplying 1 by 5 and 70, you know that the denominator and numerator can be cancelled, cross. Finally we got the number of marbles she gave to her cousin is 14. So number of marbles left with her will be, from 70 we'll subtract 14. Finally we'll get 56. So number of marbles she gave to her cousin is 14. This is the answer part. And finally number of marbles left with her is 56. So our question has been done successfully. Now for the homework part. Question number 3. Suman has 20 parrots. 1/4 of them died due to a disease. Then here you write, find first part, number of parrots that died, and second part, number of parrots left. So the question is, Suman has 20 parrots, 1/4 of them died due to a disease. Find number of parrots that died and number of parrots left. You have to find that. Okay, this was for our today's work. Thank you.